Hi, sweetheart. What's this? Can you read this? Colin? Hey, what's this? What is that?
Happy day.
What is that?
Happy.
Happy. Good job, Colin. That's happy. Let's put it right here, okay? What is this? What's that?
Goat.
Goat. Good job.
I'm not doing that.
Good job, honey.
What?
What is this?
A pig.
What?
A pig.
Pig. Good job.
Where to?
What's this, honey?
Where to?
What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Good job. Good job, sweetheart.
Where to?
What is this?
Sun.
Sun. Good job.
A sun.
Yeah,
A
what's
sun.
this, honey? How about this? What is this?
Where to?
This one. What is this?
Egg.
Egg. Good job.
Where to?
Good job, sweetheart.
Where to?
What is this?
Where to?
Hey, honey, can you read this? Colin?
A turtle.
What is this?
A yellow.
A yellow. Good job.
A turtle.
Wow, that's a goat. What is this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Good job. Good job, honey. What about this one? Colin, what's this? Hey. Sweetheart, can you read this?
Bye-bye.
What is this? Look. What's that?
A dog.
Dog. Good job. Good job, honey. What's this one? Wow. What's that?
A truck.
It's a hat. Hat.
A fish.
A fish. Let me see. What is that?
It's a fish.
What's this?
A fish.
Fish. Good job. What's this one?
Octopus.
An octopus. Good job. Wow. Good job, Colin. And this one? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. Good job.
Anani.
What is that?
Anani.
What's this?
Anani.
Lion. It's a lion. Oh boy, what's this? Up. Good job.
Up a jump. Up a jump. Up a jump.
This one, what is this?
Up a jump.
Down.
Down.
Down. Good job. What is this?
Bicycle. Kite.
What is this?
A kite.
It's a kite. Good job. What's this, honey?
A cake. A cake.
Car.
Car.
It's a car. Good job, Colin.